My name is Anthony, and I'm pleased to show you a comparison between preparation of the PIF supplement enrichment and ordinary enrichment. This protocol is for large sample size for milk powder, infant formula with and without probiotics and related ingredients. Both enrichments are harmonized for subsequent alternative method detection of Salmonella and Cronobacter. We will review together the different steps of the enrichment broth preparation. The PIF supplement is presented in a bottle of 2 grams of powder that needs to be reconstituted. Use a 50-50 water ethanol solution to reconstitute the PIF supplement. Add 40 milliliters of the water ethanol solution. Directly into the PIF supplement bottle. Mix it, and the supplement is now ready to use. Once reconstituted, the PIF supplement can be stored for 6 weeks at 28 Celsius degrees. Before each use, you need to mix it. This small bottle is sufficient to test approximately 260 samples of 375 grams. Here we have 2 samples of 375 grams of infant formula with probiotics. But we could also have other type of samples such as infant formula without probiotics, infant cereals with or without probiotics, and all types of related ingredients such as milk powder, milk derivatives, starch, etc. The PIF supplement protocol is completely suitable for all those samples. If you are testing another protocol, verify the sample scope. For some methods, the protocol may vary by the sample type. You can see the prepared bags from two different methods for the same intended use. Co-enrichment for the detection of Salmonella and Cronobacter. The enrichment bag for the Bio-Rad PIF Supplement protocol has 2.5 times less broth volume and a better traceability from the blue color of the enrichment broth. The enrichment bag for the other protocol has a final volume of enrichment mix of 4.5 liter and no color traceability. We can see the clear different ease of use of the two protocols. The PIF supplement protocol is more suitable for routine lab organization and more user-friendly. The PIF supplement enrichment protocol is fully harmonized and suitable for screening with chromogenic media, rapid Sakazaki and rapid Salmonella, and with IQ check kits, IQ check Cronobacter, IQ check Salmonella, and IQ check Enterobacteriaceae. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact your local Bio-Rad representative. You can also access quick guides and user guides on our website biorad.com/foodscience.